What are you doing?
Going up the salt spreader.
James this morning was sleeping in his car.
Was not?
Yeah, he was. Salting these lots, just kind of blading some of the snow to the lowest spot of the parking lot. Just mainly slush. James loves getting videoed.
What?
I said you love getting videoed.
Oh yeah.
Get you doing something. He's just scooping out the slush from the other side of the parking curbs. That way, if we throw salt down, it'll prevent the ice from freezing over. Well, I think the icing's over. Tons of snow. So I'm gonna go and start my truck and try to go hit the gas station parking lots again. They usually don't want me to do it unless there's a little bit more on the ground than like 2 inches, but I think the way the temperature's supposed to get tonight, it's gonna freeze again, so try to go scrape it a little bit more, then put some more salt down. All right, it's done a little bit. We're getting some accumulation, making little piles over there. Try to do the windshield wiper here so y'all can even see it. This is one of the gas stations I take care of, but got 3 more here. Well, got 2 more here in town, and one's about smaller town, about 10 miles away. Have to go check it out too, because I think it's up north a little bit. I mean, I know it's only 10 minutes, but it could make a big difference on accumulation. So go check that out. Well, we all know in a perfect world, we would tell everybody to get the heck out of our way, but obviously you can't. This is kind of what I got done so far. Once those cars get out of the way, I can actually get in there and get the rest bladed out away from the door, the most important part. But I'm gonna do that after that truck and car move out of the way. gonna show you guys what it's like all across town, because this ice storm and snowstorm today that we got a whole bunch of branches like this. How this is all fell and everything. This is just some small branches, but all that ice sitting on the limbs just got it broke off. But now, finish this parking lot up. Now I gotta do the sidewalks. I did the front already.